welcome to Flavors of Happiness, the Instant Corner. Today we are going to make the quick and delicious cheese chili toast that can be prepared under 15 minutes and is my go-to recipe for a simple and easy breakfast or an instant evening snack. So let's get started. To make cheese chili toast, take a bowl and add 5 tablespoons of softened butter. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green chilies and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Mix it well. Keep it aside. Now take a large bowl and add 3/4 cup of grated mozzarella cheese, 3/4 cup of grated processed cheese, 1 small capsicum finely chopped, 3/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, and a generous pinch of salt. Mix it well. Keep it aside. Now I have 6 slices of whole wheat bread. You can use any bread you want, and the prepared butter garlic mixture. Apply the butter garlic mixture on both sides of each bread slice. Grease a tawa with a bit of butter and heat it up on medium flame. Place 2 slices of bread. Flip the bread after 20 seconds. Add the prepared cheese capsicum mixture. Now reduce the flame to low and cover it and let it toast till the cheese melts. Cheese has melted, so cheese chili toast is done. Transfer it to a plate. Quick, easy and delicious cheese chili toast is ready to be served. Dig in and enjoy.